achieve the best chopping quality and maximum throughput. KRONE is expanding its successful BiG program and presents 4 new precision chop harvesters. BiG 480, BiG 530, BiG 580, BiG 630. Naturally, these KRONE machines deliver the well-known BiG quality chop, along with outstanding handling, performance and comfort. KRONE BiG, impressive technology. The new BiG machines feature an attractive, neat styling and all the best KRONE design features. The engine mounted sideways, power flowing directly to the assemblies, a perfect crop flow, a hydraulic transmission. These BiG in the mid-range power bracket run on 6-cylinder inline MTU engines. The BiG 480 and the BiG 530 12.8-litre engines deliver continuous output of 490 and 530 horsepower respectively. The 6-cylinder 15.6-litre engines in the BiG 580 and BiG 630 deliver 585 and 626 horsepower respectively. The compact BiG machines feature functional styling. All KRONE BiG machines have their engines mounted sideways. With its low centre of gravity, this layout ensures optimal weight distribution and gives the operator a perfect all-round view. A compact design, and yet everything is still within easy reach for maintenance and cleaning. The cooling system draws in air from the low dust area of the BiG and expels the exhaust air to all sides through the engine compartment. Access to the air cleaner and the entire hydraulic system is easy. All crop flow components are connected via one belt tensioner. The transverse motor has a poly V-belt with 6 grooves for direct power transmission to all crop flow components. Work doesn't have to stop when it gets dark. The optional LED maintenance lights give excellent visibility for all inspection and maintenance work. Top technology right from the start. On a compact forage harvester, it's the intake components that determine the chop quality. The BiG has 6 intake rollers, ensuring a long intake path, applying a consistently high pressure. So the crop is cut easily and precisely, ensuring every BiG delivers a top quality chop. Both the MaxFlow universal chopping drums and the KRONE biogas drum can be used in the BiG. All components are perfectly matched. The enclosed chopping drums, 660 mm in diameter and 630 mm wide, are especially designed to match the engine rating of the BiG 480, 530, 580 and 630. The KRONE biogas drums with 40 blades cuts the shortest chops, even when throughput is high. The universal MaxFlow chopping drums can be fitted with a choice of 20, 28 or 36 blades. MaxFlow does an impressive job. The specially designed blade carriers allow plenty of space under the blades. This extra carrying space means higher throughputs and smoother running. The BiG has a unique crop flow system. To achieve a top-notch chop, you need to ensure an optimum mat thickness in the incoming crop. That's why the KRONE BiG features a 630mm wide chopping drum. Enabling the BiG 480, 530, 580 and 630 to deliver the well-known top-quality KRONE chop. When you're looking to maximize throughputs with a top-quality chop, the technology must be up to the job. VariStream delivers blockage-free, smooth operation, even with an uneven crop flow. The spring-loaded floor in the BiG responds to variations in the amount of crop flowing through the system. The backplate of the blower chute is also spring-mounted, so it also adapts to the amount of material currently passing through. This system makes for substantially quieter running, even in varying volumes of crop. With VariStream, every BiG is utilized to its limit and fuel consumption drops per ton of crop harvested. BiG offers a great work environment. The cab is spacious and gives the operator the best possible view of wide headers. With slim posts and high side windows, the operator has an unobstructed view, even when unloading as high as 6 meters. BiG 480, 530, 580 and 630 are seasonal machines. Working days are long and often last long into the night. 16 lights, optionally available as LEDs, give the operator an excellent all-round view, making his job easier and extending machine utilization. With their large volume tanks, all BiG models can deliver top-quality daily outputs without stopping to refuel. The base specification model has a 1,220-litre diesel tank, and the SCR tank holds 115 litres. An auxiliary 230-litre diesel tank and a 275-litre silage additive tank are available as optional extras. The independent wheel suspension on the rear axle is designed for maximum operator comfort and allows plenty of room for steering. The infinitely variable drive line on the BiG is operated via wheel motors, a drive concept that allows turn angles as tight as 50 degrees. So even with big tyres, the KRONE BiG is extremely manoeuvrable, making it ideal for the tightest turns and for matching up to the previous pass after the headland turn. The headers are coupled to the heavy-duty machine frame. Two guide rolls at the top and the flexible mount at the bottom allow the header to oscillate. The header drive shaft connects conveniently to the BiG with an optional quick coupler. The oscillating header mount and the hydraulic cylinders on the sides allow the header to adapt actively to uneven ground. With an on-road speed of 50 km per hour, the BiG 480, 530, 580 and 630 are built for real-life convenience. With either 710/70R42 or 800/65R32 tyres, the machine is just 3 meters wide. So the BiG X is perfectly safe to drive on narrow lanes and meets all the requirements for on-road travel. The BiG X can take tyres up to 900/60R42. BiG tyres ensure maximum ground clearance, low soil pressure and excellent traction. BiG X delivers power. That's why the KRONE pickup EasyFlow 300S and EasyFlow 380S are designed to cope with the toughest conditions while offering maximum comfort. Working at a 30% higher speed, the camless pickup ensures the BiG X leaves nothing behind, even when picking up high-volume swathes at high work rates. EasyFlow works at widths of 3 meters or 3.8 meters and uses 6 rows of tines arranged in a W shape and spaced 55 millimeters apart. EasyFlow boasts an ingeniously straightforward design. The double tines arranged in a W shape pick up the crop evenly and gently. EasyFlow does without a cam track, which would be subject to wear and tear. With significantly fewer components, this machine runs as smoothly as it gets. The large 600mm diameter auger performs impressively, even in dense, overlong crops. The high-volume crop press roller ensures an even crop flow even at high work rates. Driven hydraulically, EasyFlow's rotor speed can be adapted steplessly to the swathe width and current ground speed. EasyFlow in the BiG X 480, 530, 580 and 630 deliver a top quality chop at consistently high throughputs. Stalks chopped by the BiG X are the best foundation for top quality silage. Variety is routine in forage harvesting. Grass today, whole crop silage or silage maize harvesting tomorrow. So the corn conditioner is quick and easy to install and remove. Very Quick manages the grass chute and the corn conditioner via a gliding plane. With Very Quick, it's quick and easy to switch, chopping grass with the grass chute or harvesting whole crop silage and maize with the corn conditioner. Every single kernel needs to be cracked, even when chopping lengths are long. KRONE corn conditioners feature 250mm roller diameters and a large friction surface. They deliver top quality conditioning at maximum throughput using less power. For the BiG X 480, 530, 580 and 630, KRONE offers 2 or 3 section maize headers in work widths ranging from 4.5 to 9 meters. EasyCollect has a simple modular design. Rigid multi-section blades pull in the stalks, which are then cut off by rotating blades in a scissor motion. The endless collector feeds the stalks to the middle of the machine, where they are turned through 90 degrees and pulled in lengthways. The intake channel dimensions match the width of the chopping drum and ensure maximum throughput and a top quality chop. Easy Collect folds quickly and easily into its transport position. Moving between fields is no problem with the BiG X 480, 530, 580 and 630 and Easy Collect. The row-independent Easy Collect maze heads have a simple modular design with endlessly moving collectors. The result? Much lighter in weight, less maintenance and a long service life. With the trailer following behind, BiG X has to throw the crop stream over a longer distance. With the optional stream control, the crop throw can be adjusted via a hinged flap on the back plate of the accelerator. With the flap tilted into the crop flow, stream control on the BiG X 480, 530, 580 and 630 covers the long distance over and beyond the tractor to the trailer with a powerful tight stream. The row-independent Easy Collect header is a versatile unit that feeds the stalks lengthwise into the machine. Easy Collect does an impressive job in any situation. Even single row crops are not a problem. It cuts them cleanly, feeds them to the middle and onto the chopping assembly. Easy Collect and BiG X combine to deliver an unsurpassed quality of chop, as a coarse chop is the last thing livestock farmers and biogas producers want. The BiG X 480, 530, 580 and 630 can be fitted with the X-Disc 620 direct cutting system with a 6.2 metre work width. With its own trailer and travelling at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, it takes you safely and fast to the next site. Fitting and removing X-Disc is quick and easy with the optional quick coupler. The X-Disc direct cutting system features the KRONE Easy Cut cutter bar with Smart Cut. The basis of this, the Smart Cut cutter bar, is the special distance between the discs. Now there is a greater overlap between the discs that rotate outwards and away from each other. The result? Larger overlaps of the dish orbits and hence perfect and stripe-free cuts in lightweight crops. With Smart Cut, the discs rotating inwards and towards each other are spaced further apart now, so large volumes of crop are pushed quickly and cleanly to the rear. Changing blades on the X-Disc couldn't be easier. The quick coupler that comes as standard on the blades makes changing the blades quick and easy. Safe Cut, another feature provided as standard, protects against stoppage and machine failure. The Safe Cut systems causes the blocked disc to jack up on a thread. Moving out of the orbit of its neighbouring discs to eliminate the risk of further damage and expensive repair. The powerful, massive 900mm diameter auger works trouble-free, even in dense high crops. Whole crop silage is becoming more and more important. Cutting and chopping 6.2 meters in one operation. The KRONE X-Disc 620 direct cutting system is powerful and harvests without losses, producing an outstanding quality cut. With X-Disc 620, the BiG X 480, 530, 580 and 630 deliver whole crop silage with an outstanding quality chop. Stalks chopped by the BiG X are the best foundation for top quality silage, both for livestock farmers and biogas producers. The BiG X 480, BiG X 530, BiG X 580 and BiG X 630 are 4 more high-performing members of the highly successful KRONE BiG X program. These precision chop harvesters excel in handling and convenience and produce an outstanding quality chop, even at maximum throughput. KRONE BiG X. No other forage harvester can match. KRONE, the power of green.